Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Block Blast Adventure. To begin, you'll drag and drop different block shapes onto an 8x8 grid. Your main goal is to clear lines by completing full horizontal or vertical rows. Remember, the blocks cannot be rotated, so careful placement is key. The game continues until you run out of space for new blocks, so plan your moves wisely. To truly excel, always think ahead and plan your placements. A great strategy is to prioritize clearing blocks from the bottom of the board, which can create satisfying cascade effects. It's also crucial to keep the center of your grid open and flexible, as this area offers the most versatility for larger or unusually shaped blocks. Try to avoid leaving single block gaps, as these can quickly limit your options. With your marks in place, it's time to secure the boundary. Take your 63-foot rope and carefully lay it along the 15-foot diameter circle you just marked. Secure this rope firmly to the tarp. You can use strong adhesive, heavy-duty tape, or even stakes if your tarp allows. The goal is to create a clear, slightly raised boundary that wrestlers can easily feel and see during their matches. To master Block Blast, consistent practice is essential for improving your pattern recognition and decision-making skills. Always take a moment to analyze the entire board before placing your first block in each round. Be flexible and adapt your strategy based on the blocks you receive and the current state of your grid. Maintaining a balanced board, without stacking too many blocks on one side, ensures smoother gameplay and more opportunities.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.